One massive 8.8 earthquake wey shake Russia east side don cause tsunami waves to reach Hawaii. Hamas don fire back sharply give Israel Finance Minister Bezalel Smotrich say di talk wey e talk about Gaza na clear threat to continue genocide and push pipo comot for dia land. Dat na small for today tori. Dis na PidginToriGlobal, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. Na your right to sabi wetin dey happen for world, so we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya, make we enter the gist proper. No forget to like and subscribe, make you also share give your friends, make dem know wetin dey happen for world. We dey start for Russia today. One massive 8.8 earthquake wey shake Russia east side don cause tsunami waves to reach Hawaii. Authorities don order pipo for Hawaii, some parts of US West Coast and Japan make dem begin evacuate. Hawaii Governor Josh Green beg residents make dem make sure say dem stay calm and follow evacuation order, whereas US President Donald Trump don tell Americans make dem shine eye for tsunami alerts. Reports from Russia Kamchatka Peninsula talk say tsunami reach 3 to 4 meters high, and for Hokkaido, northern Japan, 30 cm wave don enter. Tsunami warning don already reach China, Philippines and Indonesia, Guam, Peru, and Galapagos Island near Ecuador. Japan Meteorological Agency don raise alarm say Pacific coast for the country don see 4 to 5 rounds of tsunami waves already, and e never slow down. Dem don ready Black Hawk helicopters and high water rescue trucks, but governors still dey beg pipo say abeg make dem no risk their life, make dem stay safe. Besaiso, former Palestinian Minister of Culture, don talk say even though say Israel don scatter plenty heritage and cultural places for Gaza, Palestinians' identity go still stand gidigba. For interview with newsmen, e talk say the war no just dey destroy past, but na part of Israel big plan to wipe out Palestinians' future, especially with the way settlers dey enter Gaza and West Bank steady. Besaiso still accuse Israel say dem dey purposely clear Gaza culture and people memory as dem dey destroy places wey get historical and personal meaning. But e still stand strong. Still follow Haaretz report say Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu don suggest one plan to Israel Security Cabinet to annex part of Gaza Strip just to stop Smotrich from resigning. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer don talk say dem go recognize Palestine as official country for UN meeting wey go happen for September unless Israel quickly do wetin dem suppose do to stop wetin dey happen for Gaza. The conditions include say Israel must agree to ceasefire and show say dem ready for long-term peace. Right now, over 139 countries don already recognize Palestinian state. Last week, France join dem say dem go follow do same thing for the UN meeting for Gaza. The Hamas-run health ministry don report say na over 60,000 Palestinians don lost their life since Israel start their attack. And the UN Food Security Group still dey cry say the worst kind of hunger dey happen inside Gaza now. But Israel dey claim say dem no dey stop aid and say starvation no dey. One 27-year-old man from Las Vegas, Shane Tamura, shoot and kpai 4 people for one skyscraper for New York on Monday evening, but Mayor Eric Adams talk say the man bin dey target NFL, only say e enter wrong office because e take wrong lift. The gunman later shoot himself. E carry one note wey talk say e dey blame the NFL for the brain injury wey affect im mental health. Tamura play football for high school, but e no ever play for NFL. One of the people wey lost their life na Didaru Islam, 36, wey be New York police officer wey dey work as security. Another one na Wesley Lepatner, staff of finance company Blackstone, plus 2 other male civilians. One NFL worker still dey hospital after serious injury. Police clear the whole building floor by floor and the whole Midtown Manhattan area scatter. Transport stop as security rush come. One reporter talk say dem see one person with blood for chest wey dem carry go hospital. Police tell everybody around make dem hide inside buildings till everywhere clear. If dis story touch you, make you like the video now, hit that subscribe button make you no miss our next drop, and share dis video with your people make dem too sabi wetin dey happen around the world. Make we continue with US. One police officer wey dem dey call Didaru Islam, 36-year-old, don lost im life for the shooting attack wey happen inside one big office building for Park Avenue, New York City. Islam na papa of 2 children and im wife dey expect another pikin. Dem say na hero im be because e lose im life as e dey try protect people as security man for the place. New York Mayor Eric Adams praise Islam, say e be real New Yorker. Mayor Adams still visit Islam family and talk say the man na only son of im papa. The mayor even remember im own pikin and e say the thing too pain to imagine. Islam get plenty praise from both the police force and residents wey say e sacrifice im life to protect others. India don announce say dem kpai 3 militants wey dem say na the same people wey shoot and kpai 26 civilians for one tourist area near Pahalgam for Kashmir for April. According to Home Minister Amit Shah, the 3 men wey India army kpai on Monday near Srinagar na the same people wey open fire for that deadly April attack. Dem also claim say dem be Pakistani nationals, but Pakistan deny the allegation and never talk anything about the latest claim. The identity of the militants as Suleiman. Dem identify the militants as Suleiman Shah, Afghan and Gibran, and say dem confirm am through forensics and ballistic tests. The April attack shock many people because na mostly Hindu tourists kpai and one local Muslim pony handler wey dey try help dem also lost im life. India opposition leaders bin dey ask wetin delay security forces to catch the attackers since April. One Congress MP, Gaurav Gogol, talk for parliament say make Amit Shah take responsibility. Shah reply say dem don finish the mission under Operation Mahadev and say the 3 militants kpai for gun battle wey happen inside Dashigan Wildlife Reserve about 30 km from Srinagar. And the last one for today. Heavy metal legend Ozzy Osbourne go make im last waka through im hometown Birmingham as fans go get chance to pay last respect. The Black Sabbath singer wey kpai for 72 years of age on 22nd of July go get im cottage drive past Broad Street for city centre around 1 p.m. BST on Wednesday. News media announced say the hush go pass Black Sabbath Bridge where thousands don already drop flowers and sweet messages. Birmingham Lord Mayor Zafar Iqbal say dem go give last respect to one of the greatest legends wey come from this city. Ozzy put Aston and Birmingham for world map. Ozzy just performed welfare show with im band less than 3 weeks before e kpai for one big concert where musicians from Metallica, Aerosmith and others join for Villa Park. Council say this public event go happen before the private burial. Make Ozzy family fit see all the love wey fans don show with flowers and memory notes. Local music band Boston Brass go follow the procession waka. People don travel from Mexico, Poland, USA and even Greece come drop tribute. Broad Street go dey closed from 7 a.m. BST on Wednesday. Bus and tram movement go divert till event finish. Na the tori be that for today. And na Rebecca Goffey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. Una do well.